Me. Oh, yeah. That's not Damon or Jeff Johnson. What we got? Introduce yourself. All right. All right. Cat with...
Kid with what? With?
What's your company?
Oh, Fit15 martial arts. But look, I'm so scared. My voice is cracking.
All right. What are we going to do?
I'm going to try not to make a fool of myself.
All right. The water tribe must pay. All right. No pressure, Cat. You got it.
I'm so...
You got it. You got it.
It's fine. It's fine.
It is fine. Just go through. You got it. Oh, another. Ma'am. Another cut. Yes.
What?
Yeah.
No.
We got it.
I feel like I gotta quit behind my head.
No, one more. Everybody wants to see another cut. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Lee.
You got it. Before I turn 50.
Oh.
Uh-oh, it's all right. Go through it again. Cut. She's trying to... Yeah. All right. Hold the sword up, please. All right, this is Damon still standing in for Mr. Jeffrey Johnson. We have Kat Miller with Fit.
Oh, I don't have my shirt on. Fit15.
Based out of where?
Dripping Springs.
All right. And what blade? You can see the blade here. We got the saber made by Street Forge Armory. Yes. So we're here to answer the question, does it cut, dog? I'm not Jeff Johnson, so I can't do it like the man, but we out.